Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning chapter 4, pronouns. So read the following sentence aloud. There are some examples given here so that we can understand the pronouns exactly why and where it is used. So let's read. Lucy is wearing a red t-shirt. Lucy is playing with her ball. Lucy's dog is also playing with Lucy. So आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो बार बार ये नाम रिपीट किया गया है. कौन सा नाम? लूसी लूसी लूसी. हर जगह पे लूसी लूसी बोल रहे हैं. तो कैसा अजीब लग रहा है ना सुनने में. हम कुछ भी अगर बोलते हैं तो ऐसा बोलते हैं क्या, लूसी मुझे खाना दो, लूसी ने रेड टी शर्ट पहना है, लूसी खेलने गई है, लूसी का डॉग भी खेल रहा है. ऐसे नहीं बोलते ना. नहीं, हम जब बोलते तो कैसे बोलते हैं कि Lucy is wearing a red t-shirt. She is playing with her ball. Her dog is also playing with her. So basically Lucy is used many times. इसीलिए वो एकदम odd लग रहा है, right? So let's try to make them sound better. तो better sound करने के लिए हम क्या बोलेंगे? Lucy is wearing a red t-shirt. She is playing with her ball. Her dog is also playing with her. So this sentence is sounding better, right? So now there are some examples more given here. Vicky is my friend. He likes bananas. So you can see here in first sentence it is said Vicky is my friend, and second sentence what it has been said, he likes bananas. So अगर वापस से यहाँ पे 2 बार ऐसा बोला गया होता तो क्या होता? Vicky is my friend, Vicky likes bananas. तो कितना ऑड साउंड होता है ना. So again second sentence it is used he stands for Vicky. सेकेंड सेंटेंस में ही जो है रेड कलर का देखो यहाँ पे हाईलाइट किया है ही को. सो ही लाइक्स बनानास. सो ही स्टैंड्स फॉर विक्की. नेक्स्ट इज Meena is a girl. She is 10 years old. Again here if we say like this, Meena is a girl, Meena is a 10 years old. So again repeating the same name Meena sounds odd. So in second sentence it is said she stands for Meena. How it is said? She stands for Meena. So this she which has been highlighted here, this she stands for Meena. Again next here for animal also, Kitty is a cat. It is sleeping in the basket. What if we say Kitty is a cat, Kitty is sleeping in the basket? No, we are not supposed to say like this because it sounds odd. We'll be saying Kitty is a cat, it is sleeping in the basket. Again you can see it is been highlighted here. So it stands for cat. So basically in all above sentence, instead of repeating the same naming words, we replace them by he, she and it. So all these words are called pronouns. So all these words are called pronouns. So now we'll learn about I and we. I and we. For example, you can see teacher is asking something. So Rohit, will you help me carry these books? So what Rohit says? Yes ma'am, I will. What is teacher is asking? Teacher is asking Rohit, will you help me carry these books? So Rohit said, yes ma'am, I will. So where is the I word letter used? So you can see the I is highlighted here. So he says, yes ma'am, I will. Next, Divya and I are friends. We play together. So where is the V word been used? It's in second sentence. So you can see it has been highlighted in red color. Divya and I are friends. We play together. So basically we use I when we we talk about ourselves. जब हम खुद के बारे में बात करते हैं we use I. And when we talk about the group or the person more than two people, we include we. So we refers to a group of two or more people which includes the speaker. So there are some more examples given here. You can see we use you when we talk to one or more than one person. Children, it is lunch break. You can go out to play after having lunch. तो टीचर यहाँ पे सब स्टूडेंट्स को बोल रही है ना, क्या बोल रही है कि अभी लंच ब्रेक है, आप सब लोग जाकर खेल सकते हो आपका लंच खाने के बाद. तो where she is using you. What she said, children, it is lunch break. You can go out to play after having lunch. So what does children reply? Thank you, ma'am. So here there is a filling the blanks. Fill in the blanks with I, we or you. So the first filling the blanks is here. I am happy. Rita is happy. We are happy. Next, I cannot carry so many books. Can you help me? Can you help me? So there are three filling the blanks which you have to do with your own. That will be your homework. So here you are supposed to use he, she, it. So look at the pictures and filling the blanks with pronouns. So we use he in the place of the name of a man or a boy. आप ही ये वर्ड कब यूज करोगे? अगर आप एक मैन और बॉय के जगह पे आपको यूज करना है. We use she in place of name of a girl or a woman. We use it in a place of name of a thing, a bird or an animal. So he is a postman. She is a nurse. Right here, she is a nurse. Third, he is a boy. So ये balloon जो है thing है. So it is a balloon. It is a balloon. It is a monkey. Again the animal will use it. It. It is a monkey. So there are three more given questions. Three more questions given here. So you do it by your own. What will come? You have to use he, she or it. So first read the question and then write a proper pronouns. So now here underline the correct pronoun in each sentence. So we have to underline the correct pronoun. So here there is he or she. So is my sister. So he refers to boy and she refers to girl. So here there is a sister. तो आपको कौन सा वर्ड यूज करना है, कौन सा वर्ड को आप कौन सा प्रोनाउन को आप अंडरलाइन करोगे? शी इज माई सिस्टर. सेकेंड, ही और इट इज गोइंग टू स्कूल. इट इज गोइंग टू स्कूल कुछ होता है ऐसा? नहीं. ही इज गोइंग टू स्कूल is a right pronoun, right? So underline the he. Third, he or she is my uncle. Uncle अभी या फिर man हो सकता है, right? तो what will be it? She is my uncle. ये है क्या? No, she is always used for women and girls. He is always used for man and boy. So uncle will be a man. So you will be using he. he. So this three you do it with your own. So underline the correct pronouns, read the sentence and underline the correct pronoun. Okay, so now here you can see rewrite the sentences यूज प्रोनाउंस इन प्लेस ऑफ अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स. सो आपको ये पूरा सेंटेंस रीराइट करना है, फिर से पूरा लिखना है, बट यू आर सपोज टू यूज प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंस. यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स अंडरलाइन किए गए हैं, उसके जगह पे आपको प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंस यूज करके लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज रितु. रितु इज माई फ्रेंड. सो वॉट विल बी योर आंसर? दिस इज रितु. शी इज माई फ्रेंड. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज माई रैबिट. सो जो एनिमल है, वॉट वी यूज फॉर इट? इट. इट इज वाइट. सो अगेन, दिस इज अनिल. He is my brother. This is a ball. It is red. So you have to write. So in this way you have to write all the answers. So next is complete the sentences with the pronouns given in the strip. So there is a strip given here. You can see there are some words that you can complete the sentences. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. So here John is a cricket player. Dash plays well. So he plays well. Second, the kids are playing in the field. Dash are playing football. We are playing football. Amira has a pet dog. It is brown. Samira is a good girl. She goes to school regularly. Maria and I are friends. We like to play together. This is my favorite diary. Second one, it will be the kids are in the field. They are playing football. And then sixth one, this is my favorite diary. I call her Kitty. I am a clown. You are clown too. Read the sentences given below. Replace the underlined words with suitable pronouns. Rewrite the sentences in the given space. So here we have to read the sentences and we have to replace those underlined words. Okay. So Leela and Ram are playing in a garden. The garden has many trees. The trees have lots of apples on them. So the first is Leela and Ram are playing in garden. The garden has many trees. The trees have lots of apples on them. So we have to change these underlined words. We have to put proper suitable pronouns. So Leela and Ram are playing in a garden. It has many trees. They have lots of apples on them. Second is Leela and Ram are playing. Leela and Ram are playing with a ball. The ball is red and yellow. Leela and Ram are playing. They are playing with a ball. It is red and yellow. Third is Leela is holding the ball. Leela is going to throw the ball to Ram. Leela is holding the ball. She is going to throw it to Ram. Now fourth, Ram is looking at the ball. Ram is ready to catch the ball. Ram is looking at the ball. He is ready to catch it.